Hello everyone, I start this video by saying thank you because we have reached 1000 subscribers, which is a baby step towards maybe something better, maybe not, but it's nice because it happened in a period that was a bit hectic. There wasn't that much going on as in uploaded video, but now hopefully there's gonna be some movement, and we start with this one, which is my biggest object and probably the coolest one also that I built. And I made an effort also in improving the video quality itself. So enjoy this one. It's a bit long, but I've divided it in 4 parts of roughly 7 minutes each because it took me quite a long time. There was quite a few details to go to build for this final object. Enjoy, and thank you once again for all the love and support, guys. See you. Hi guys! If you're wondering why I'm standing on 2 slabs of walnut like this, these guys are going to become a piece of furniture for a beautiful person and a wonderful professional called Salvatore, aka the Design Dictator. He's a fantastic graphic designer that worked for me and for the company I was about to launch. He designed all the logo and imagery and fonts and colors and whatnot. He did an outstanding job, and to be paid off for his work, he asked me to build something for him. Together with these slabs of walnut that I'm going to slice and get some flat boards out of it, I'm going to use some 14 millimeters steel square tubing that is going to serve the purpose of building the upper structure. And I'm going to start right there by welding that. Let's get to work. Okay guys, everything is ready for metal working, and if you're wondering why I'm wearing the helmet, I don't know, it just looks funny. So yeah, maybe it's a bit useless now. Let's get to prepare the pieces first. Okay, at this point I'm cutting off all the metal to the design size, and to do this I'm blocking it to the table with the magnets that normally used for welding, and this angle grinder support that serves as a chop saw. Pretty good, pretty precise results in the end. And yeah, chop chop. Here's another makeshift locking system to grind off a bit of the tips, preparing the pieces for welding. Works nice. Then I just made one side and flipped them all around, and I had to make three sides of them, not all 4, because one of course was on the outside and didn't need any welding. This is where the actual welding starts. I fixed the pieces on the table with the square, and then I set the amps on the machine, and off we go with the stick. Bzzz. Then I went on the inside, and now wiggling it off, hammering a bit and brushing it out. Same thing here in the other corner. There's gonna be a lot of them, pretty much all the same, so we're gonna skip some of them. Cleaning off with the grinder, making it all flat. Job done. Here I'm preparing the points where I'm gonna weld the shelf support, 2 of them, and then welding the supports themselves after clamping them down the best way I could. And here I'm attacking them from all the corners that I need to weld. And here there's a lot of cleaning to do. Here's an overview of one side. Now I'm welding the other one. And this is how it looks when it's done. I'm now building the brackets to connect it to the wood part. And I'm welding them on the base on all four corners. And then I got to be very busy with the broom. This is where I was cleaning and degreasing before painting. Very nasty. Here I'm applying a coat of primer. And here I'm applying some outer body filler to the non-welded parts. Which then of course needed to be sanded. Now comes the fun part. I needed to divide these big slabs into parts that were useful to create shelves, and the only tool I could use was this circular saw because otherwise I didn't have anything else. These are 50mm slabs, so I had to do it in 3 passes with the saw. And there's all of them lined up. Here I'm using an old trick for the table saw. It consists on attaching a piece of wood that that has a straight edge. So you can use that straight edge against the fence to cut a parallel straight edge on the workpiece. I'm doing it now in 2 passes of 25mm. And then I can reference off the parallel edge that I just cut to cut the second one. Now I'm cutting the second edge, referencing off the first, and then at the end of all the cutting I will cut them in 13cm parts that later will be joined to create the shelves. And this concludes part 1 of this video. Thanks for watching.